Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is the natural vegetation and wildlife. Introduction part. In this short video, we'll discuss these topics in 5 to 7 to 8 minutes. You can imagine you have ever wondered why different parts of India look so different. In Rajasthan, we see desert and cactus plants. In Kerala, there is thick green forest and coconut trees. Even the animals are different. Camels in the desert, elephant in the forest, and snow leopards in the Himalayas. Why this is so? It's because of our country, natural vegetation and wildlife. Let's understand what's that means. What is natural vegetation and what is wildlife? Imagine the variety of natural vegetation, wildlife throughout the country. The high diversity of natural vegetations and wildlife make them the study of matter. Natural vegetation means plants that grow naturally without human help. No one plant or water them. Forest, wild, grassland and shrubs that grow on their own natural vegetation, crops or garden planted by the people are not the natural vegetation. Wildlife means animals, birds and insects. Insects that live freely in nature like tiger in the forest, peacock in the field or elephant in the Assam. What is vegetation? Vegetation means plant community. But we cannot say the whole plant community can be the virgin vegetation. The vegetation what do you understand by the virgin vegetation? The vegetation which grow naturally without human aids and have been left undisturbed by the human for a long time, also known as the natural vegetations. It means we can say that without human interference, the plant grow naturally. It's called the natural vegetation. We can say that cultivated crops and fruits, orchards are the part of vegetation, but not natural vegetation. The two terms come here: endemic or indigenous species or exotic species. The virgin vegetation which are purely Indian. Endemic मतलब the virgin vegetation which are purely Indian. Example इसका क्या है? Its example is alpine flower. This is the alpine flower example of endemic plant. Exotic species, the species which have came from outside India are termed as the exotic plant, like zipline, ceruloi, lily. This is the exotic plant. And the two terms come here. One is flora and other is fauna. Flora means plant of a particular region and fauna means the species of the animals. The diversity of flora and fauna due to the following factor. First is relief and second is damage. Next, what is relief? In relief, two things are come. What first is land and second is soil. In land, mountain, plains and plateaus comes have the different type of plants. For example, pine and fir trees grow on the mountains, will fertile land have the forest and soil. The soil type also matters. Sandy soil grow cactus and will wet soil grow rice and mangrove. These two components play very important role to influencing our flora and fauna of an area. Vegetation in the central part of India, the vegetation part of the Himalayas. You can see the difference in the central part of India and Himalayan region. You can see there is a level soil in this black area and brown area, and this side is the black soil. Climate influences the natural vegetation and wildlife. Element of climate: temperature, photoperiod and precipitation. Temperature: hot place like Rajasthan have cactus and thornbush, and cold place like Himalaya have pine trees. The photoperiod: more sunlight means plants grow faster. Rainfall or precipitation means heavy rainfall lead to thick forest and little rain means dry forest. Temperature along with humidity in the air, precipitation, soil influence the vegetation of area. You can see this is the Atacama Desert and this is the Amazon forest. This is the Amazon forest. This is the South America. Amazon forest grows because of the heavy rainfall. Well, the Atacama Desert have almost no vegetation because of the dryness. This vegetational zone subtropical and temperate line. You can see this table according to their temperate or average temperate region. Photo period, the variation in the amount of sunlight at the different places depend on the latitude, latitude, altitude, season, duration of a day. The part receiving longer durations of sunlight have dense vegetation. There is a very dense vegetation. This is the tropical region. The sunlight came on this area. The more sunlight come here, solar insolation is in this region. Okay, that's why the densely vegetation grow here. Precipitation means rainfall, important for forests, modifying the local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, supports a variety of industries and provide the livelihood. Here is some short question MCQ based. What is natural vegetation? Plants that grow naturally without human help. And the second is the plant of a particular region are called flora. And thorn forests are mainly found in the Rajasthan and Gujarat. Mangrove trees grow well in the salty lake.